Hey guys, I haven't been doing videos lately, but my sister went to the store yesterday, bought me a Coke and some candy. So, let me get in the shade. And then after that, she bought her air horn, which she already knows I have it. I'm gonna do this prank to her and my neighbors. I'm gonna set the tablet open. Air horn time. It gets much louder if you hit it harder. But she gave it to me. She gave it to me, let me have it. So I thought, okay, I got an idea. So it's probably gonna be an hour video or something. I will start making uploads. If y'all want to know what this is, it's gonna be the string prank. And frick, I got a sticker in my foot, but so I'm gonna take the back. Nothing was in my foot. I stepped on glass. Give a shout out to Romat Woods, Yummy, and Jake the Garden Snake, Noah Dan, and McJuggernuggets. So give a shout out. Give a shout out to them while I'm gonna drop my tablet. But it's gonna be the air horn. And that never runs out of air. So let's get this going. See y'all people in a second. Alright, we're going in the door. Says, do not disturb. So if y'all want to watch this YouTube thing, you gotta go to part 2. It'll be in the links.